because today I want to take the mock test to 5B. After taking 5B,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
okay, good afternoon.
Ma'am, you are the class teacher of 5B.
5B, yes, 5B. It is not like that 5B class teacher should take 5B. No, it is not.
Which chapter?
That muscular system and respiratory system.
Okay, ma'am.
See, that I will take. See, that, only MCQ that I will take as a whenever is the next class. Okay? So, yes.
Ma'am, only muscular and respiratory system.
Don't take this. I've already prepared that question paper, so you can practice on that. That is only I want
Okay.
to. Okay. Now, listen. Mute your audio. Everybody muted. Fast. In the previous class, we learned about the working of nervous system, right? Working of nervous system, how the nerves, brain, spinal cord and the nerves work together to control our body parts. Now, so let me ask one question. Anusri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Amanat and Daniel, please mute it and switch on the video. So, Anusri, can you tell me how the brain talks to different parts of our body? Through which all organs? Which all parts?
Through the nerves
And through the nerves
and spinal cord.
Very good, very good. Okay, mute it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Brain talks to different part of our body, different organs through the spinal cord and through the nerves. Okay, so I think I explained the procedure, how it is. Am I explained it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let me ask one thing. See, organ, this body organ, okay, that are sending message. To whom this body? I will ask those students only to answer it. Okay, Felix. Okay, the body organs will send a message. This message to which part? From the body organ, messages are going to which part?
Ma'am, can you say the question?
Yes. First, I am asking about the working of nervous system. The body organ or body part will send message to where? First, they will send message to where? From the, okay, let me see. Who can answer my question? Okay, Agne. Okay, from the body part, message will go to, sorry? Nerves. It goes to nerves. Okay.
And spinal cord.
Now, from nerves. Okay, let me see. First, the nerves which are passing through different parts of our body will take the message from the each part of the body and takes it to spinal cord. Felix, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Spinal cord. From the spinal, this spinal cord transmits. The spinal cord transmits the message to where, Felix? It takes the message to where? Spinal cord.
Nerves.
It's correct. From the nerves, the spinal cord takes the message and take it to brain. Brain will read it. I think so. Just imagine. One mosquito is sitting on your left hand. Okay. Just imagine one mosquito is sitting on your left hand. So the body part will send them. All of you mute your audio. Felix, Abhimanyu, sit properly. Don't turn your device. Okay, don't touch your device. working of brain, spinal cord and nerves to control our body. Okay. So after once the message gets to the nerves, it will take the message to the spinal cord. Spinal cord will transmit, it carries the message from the nerves to the brain. Brain will read it and will take action. But and according to the action, it will make a message and send it again to spinal cord. That spinal cord, according to the message, it will pass to the nerves, which he has to responsible for the reaction. Got it? This one I explained through a example. Just one example I told. Just imagine one mosquito is sitting on your left hand. By seeing, if it is not biting, then also we can see, no, at that time, or if it is get irritated by the hand, it will send message to the nerves. Nerves will carry it to spinal cord. Spinal cord it will take to brain. Okay, from the brain it will get send message to spinal cord again. Again it will take to nerves. Okay, nerves will pass this message to the body part or body organ. Now, see, now if anybody wants to ask any doubt, you can ask. Just raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, Fia, ask it. Tanya, please mute your audio.
Ma'am, can I ask now?
Yes, ask. Anthony, mute your audio.
Ma'am, you told, right, the organs will send the message to the nerves, send to the nerves and to the spinal cord. And to the brain will read the message,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Okay.
Then another one. Anybody has doubt? No. So shall I continue? John said
Yes, ma'am.
sit on a place. Gautam, no need to show any actions. Okay. So now this one. See, for this, since our sense organs also help our nervous system. Okay. If I show this one, if you see this in front of you, you can understand this is a pouch, right? How you are able to understand this? Our sense organ, eyes, send a message to brain. Our sense organ, eyes, send a message to brain that, see, what is this object? Brain will take that message and gives you back. This is a pouch. Brain has the ability to think. Am I right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It will send the message. Okay. Because of this, we can find out what all things are in front of us. Okay. These all things are happening all in a second. So no, it is not taking even a second sometimes. Yes, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ask me.
Ma'am, you told that when you show that pouch, ma'am, I know it is a pouch by seeing it.
Okay,
ma'am, when we see a thing that we don't know, so how we know that we don't know that thing?
See, if you are seeing a strange thing, this all by practice. Every day we are seeing this one. So you are familiar with it. Your eyes are familiar with it. Your brain is familiar with it. Okay. But if you see some strange things, your brain, there also the same things will happen. Okay. The eyes will take the message to brain. Brain will think what it is. Brain will think what is the color of it, what is the shape of it, what is the all features. It will read all the features. Then according to that, it will think and analyze. That is only that only this brain can do.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Only brain can do these all things. After the result, you may get because of a shape, because of the things is happening, right? That is a pouch. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Likewise. Okay, is there any
Ma'am,
doubt?
ma'am, does this work very fastly or
Yes,
very
yes,
slow?
it is very fast. You can understand. There is no doubt. You no need to doubt. Richard, mute your audio. No need
Ma'am,
to doubt about it.
it's
These all things
shaking.
are happening within seconds, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. See,
Ma'am,
let
but
me.
when we see any strange things, we cannot understand what this. So that it will take so much time, right?
That will
To
take
think.
because our brain has to think about it. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
that is there. Okay, there it has to analyze. That
If
is
we are
what
familiar with it, it will be very fast.
very
Right?
easy. Okay, so in the same way, all our other sense organs also. Mute your audio, Tanya. Mute it. So everybody should mute it. Okay, I am getting so many distracting sounds. So in the same way, all other sense organs like nose, if some flower come in front of us, with the smell we can understand it is a flower. With a particular smell, brain can understand. Nose will send message to the nerves, nerves will take it to brain, right? So that brain can understand it is rose flower. Hmm? So nose also, then tongue. Our tongue also is a sense organ. It also can identify the thing. Okay, not only that, we can feel with our skin whether it is hot or cold, whether it is rough or smooth. These all things we can feel it through our skin. Okay, so all the sense organs along with the nervous system help us to control our body functions. Okay, along with the all sense organs, along with the sense organs and the nervous system helps to control our all the body actions.
Okay, ma'am.
Is if you are tying your eyes with some cloth and if some cake piece or orange is bringing to your near to your nose, you can understand it, right? Somebody brought orange to us, right? How you
Yes,
can
by
by
smelling.
smelling, if it is
By
a good smell,
smelling.
yeah. So sometimes
By smelling.
our brain can identify things with their smell, a taste or feel, even with our eyes closed. Okay, these
Okay,
all,
ma'am.
so
Ma'am,
our brain is something very wonderful, right? Wonderful.
yes, ma'am.
Richard, do you have any doubt, Richard?
Ma'am, I have a doubt that is when our eye is not connected to brain, we will see upside down, right?
That is there. So if any problems are there for the nerves of our eyes or some problems in our brain, that can affect. Okay, that is mute your audio, please. Mute your audio. Everybody mute it. So that is there. If anything happens to our brain, damage, these all things can affect it. That is all. That is all not normal. Normally, what it is happening, that is what I know. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes.
when we tie our eyes with the clothes and or when we play, how we can find others by tying our eyes. There is any
By sound.
With the if they are making any sound, you can see. Please, somebody's audio is
Ma'am, by hearing.
but somebody's audio is not muted. Some parents are talking. You can talk with them, but mute it. That should not affect our class. Okay, Amanat, mute.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
1 minute. Amanat, switch on the video. Close your audio. Okay, Alim, I want to see you today. I didn't see your video. Alim, I want to see your face. I want to see your face. What you are doing there, I want to see. Today I didn't see you.
Ma'am.
Yes, unmute and tell me, Alim. Unmute and tell me,
Ma'am,
Alim.
Manu.
Okay, 1 minute, Manu.
Ma'am, I am Manu.
Manu, I understood. Please wait. Alim.
Sometimes some internet connection problems are there.
But okay. Amanat, switch on the video, mute your audio. Okay, Manu, tell me. Manu, what you want, Manu? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, sometimes when we see something we can't understand, right?
That is what we are telling about strange things. Strange.
Huh?
If it
Ma'am?
is strange. We are not familiar with this. If some things which are not familiar to us, we may see, we may use our eyes to see its features. We may touch it. Through that we can feel the shape. We will smell it. So using these sense organs, we will send some message to brain. By smelling, oh, it is nice smell. By touching, it is very rough. By seeing, the shape of it is round. Like these all things, the sense organs can send the message to brain. When this message come to brain, brain will analyze this all message and it will make a decision and it will try to take out what is that object. Okay?
Thank you,
Understood?
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, any other doubt? Is there any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, along with our nervous system, sense organs also help us to find out help us to do to control our body. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, sometimes we know the answer, but we will get the mistake. So how we will get the mistake?
That is all depend on thinking capacity. Okay.
No,
That
ma'am,
is all.
we know the answer, but we will we get the wrong answer. How is it, ma'am?
That is because you are doing the answers before the message comes from your brain. Am I right? That is why
Excuse me,
we
ma'am.
are saying
Excuse me, ma'am.
you should wait. Yes, Ayman, tell me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt that.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ask.
if we forgot to take our science textbook, ma'am, so
Okay.
how are we forgetting it?
How you are forgetting it? That
No,
is
ma'am, I had that science textbook, but
Okay.
how are we forgetting it?
because you are not remembering.
No, ma'am, we are thinking
Because
it, but then also we
you
are
are not
forgetting.
giving attention to that. Okay, you are not giving attention to that. That is the problem. Okay, if it is registered in our brain to attend science class, I should take science textbook with me. If you are registering that in your mind, you will not forget. When you are not giving attention, then these all things will happen. Okay, so I think almost this chapter it is finished. Okay, I will send the
Okay, ma'am.
notes today. In between, you can study the muscular system.
You will send the notes to our sister. Okay.
Okay. Which all it is there, I will send it. Now, students, next class teacher is waiting. Please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Harsha.
Thank you, ma'am.
No, ma'am, go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you can send the message personally.
Thank you, ma'am.